he sent me a letter. He indicated that he wanted to testify. So sabi ko, yes, if you are testifying on the flood control projects, then we will schedule a hearing. Tentatively, we have scheduled it on April 14. But if we can hold it much earlier, then why not? Because, alam mo, magbe-break kami starting Thursday or Friday. Kung agad-agad tatawag ng hearing, baka nasa vacation mode pa yung baka ako lang mag-isa na dyan. So, I want to be joined by my colleagues. So, let's see.
Sir, including the 18 former military.
We'll have to consult my colleagues, the members, because may mga issues, individual and collective issues that must be addressed. I, for one, nasabi ko na ito na tatawag tayo. Kung masyadong napakalayo sa katotohanan, anong gagawin natin? How do we treat the information and even the resource persons? Ang iniwasan ko, once obvious na nagsisinungaling, merong mag-motion para i-cite for contempt. Pagkatapos i-detain, medyo may problema tayo doon. Sabihin natin public opinion, parang inaapi nyo pa yung mga resource persons. But we should treat them in the same manner that we treated the other resource persons. When they are lying through their teeth, mahirap naman sigurong double standard tayo.
Sir Carlos, na-bet ba sir yung sasabihin na season? Na-bet yung muna sir?
Wala pa. Pero sabi niya, ang betting na nangyari, anong ite-testify mo, Gov? Sabi niya, flood control. Okay, we'll accept yung request niya.
Siya mismo sa inyo pa.
Yeah, he was in my office yesterday.
Sir, magsasabi ba siya affidavit?
He may or he may not. Kasi basta tama na sa akin, ang ite-testify niya relevant do sa inimbestigahan ng Blue Ribbon.
So sir, verbal, walang affidavit siya na sinabi sa inyo?
Wala. Basta yun lang ang sinigurado ko tungkol sa flood control yung kanyang testimony.
Last hearing na sir yung April 14.
No, not necessarily.
Ano
Pero
ba
Kasi wala pa, yung partial pa nga, wala pa.
Pero sir, yung sa 18 sir, paano sir yun? Kasi clear naman sir na
May mga gustong patawag, pero mas marami yung wag nang ipatawag kasi magugulo lang yung hearing. Sabi ko, ilapit lang ng konti sa katotohanan. Why not?
Sir, na-record niyo pa na
Sir.
Anong kinalaman ni Mike Defensor?
Sir.
Thank you.